Hello everyone, welcoming you all on my channel Fluent English class. Learn English with me, Kajal. So students, today I will tell you about the topic preposition. Today I will tell you what is preposition, definition of preposition, types of preposition and everything about it. So let's learn with me. First of all students, definition of preposition. Students, prepositions are a preposition is a word that indicates the relation between a noun and the other part of sentence. स्टूडेंट्स, प्रीपोजिशन हमें सेंटेंस और संज्ञा के बीच का रिलेशन बताते हैं, आपके प्रीपोजिशन कहलाते हैं. एग्जाम्पल देखिए, आई एम गोइंग टू कैनाडा. Student, to is here your preposition because it's joining the sentence and the noun. So it is your preposition, students. Students, there are some important points about preposition जो आपको पता होनी चाहिए preposition के बारे में. मैं आपको एक एक करके बता देती हूँ. Important notes. Number first, students, no preposition gets added to the language that are fixed. Second point is, preposition do not have any other form. They cannot be plural, possessive, inflection, etc. Third note is, most preposition have many different contexts. So it easily can confuse us. Fourth note is, sometimes preposition works as noun, adjective and adverbs. Your fourth note is, sometimes preposition works as noun, adjective and adverbs. स्टूडेंट्स, इन 4 नोट्स के बारे में आप अच्छे से ध्यान रखिए क्योंकि ये बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है और प्रीपोजिशन को यूज करने से पहले आपके माइंड में भी होनी चाहिए. अब नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है आपका टाइप्स ऑफ प्रीपोजिशन. See, First type is preposition of time. Student, understand what is preposition of time? Student, preposition of time shows relation between nouns to other part of sentence. ये आपका नाउन और दूसरे पार्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस के बीच में रिलेशन शो कराता है. ऑन, एट. Students, in, from, to, for, since, ago, before, till, until, by, etc. are your prepositions of time. See examples of preposition. First, he started working at 10 a.m. Here 10 a.m. is your preposition. Second example is he has been ill since Monday. Here since Monday is your preposition. Student, it is showing us here timings, that is why this is prepositions of time. See, here is at 10 a.m. here since Monday, so it is your preposition of time. Second type is preposition of place and direction. See, what is preposition of place and direction? It shows relation between noun and place. On, at, in, by, from, to, towards, up, down, across, between, among, through, in front of, etc. are your prepositions of place and direction. See example of prepositions of place and direction. First is I live across the river. See, here we use across, it means it is the preposition of place and direction. Across is your preposition of place. Third point is preposition of agent or things. See the definition. It indicates a casual relation between noun and the other part of sentence. Other part of sentence. See, what is your preposition of agent? Of, for, by, with, about, etc. are your prepositions of agent or things. See example. First, I will always be here for you. Here for you is your preposition part. See, here I write for, here I use for. Second, 'He is playing with his sister. See, with his sister is your preposition part. Here we use with. It is showing relation between the noun and the sentence. So here with is your preposition of agent or things. स्टूडेंट ध्यान से पढ़कर समझने की कोशिश कीजिए, आपको समझ जरूर आएगा। काफ़ी शॉर्ट इजी वे में बता रही हूँ मैं आपको। फोर्थ टाइप ऑफ प्रीपोजिशन इज फ्रेजल प्रीपोजिशन। See what is phrasal preposition? It is not a prepositional phrase, but they are a combination of two or more words. स्टूडेंट फ्रेजल प्रीपोजिशन आपके दो या दो से अधिक वर्डों का मिश्रण होते हैं। See which are phrasal prepositions? Along with, apart from, because of, by mean of, according to, in front of, in spite of, etc. are your phrasal prepositions. Example: according to the new rules, you are not right. You are not right. Here I use according to. It means it is a phrasal preposition. स्टूडेंट्स पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच चल रहा है, मैंने बाकी पार्ट्स आपको बता चुके हैं। आज प्रीपोजिशंस भी कंप्लीट करा दिया। आपके दो पार्ट और बचे हैं स्टूडेंट्स, वो भी मैं आपको जल्दी से जल्दी करा दूंगी। आप इसको अच्छे से पढ़िए और देखिए। स्टूडेंट्स, वन मोर इम्पोर्टेंट नोट्स टू, ये आपका प्रीपोजिशन में नहीं है, ये ऐसे ही इम्पोर्टेंट नोट है आपके लिए मेरी तरफ से, कि अगर आपको मेरा पढ़ाया हुआ समझ आता है और अच्छा लगता है मेरा पढ़ाया हुआ, तो आप बिल्कुल लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। थैंक यू।